Okay, so we are back at Minden Grove. I think our client has arranged for the downstairs flooring to be done, so I think that's been done over the weekend. This is the prep work. Today is Friday the 14th of February, just so we know where everything's at. So Alex is doing a lot of the painting. I think the initial prep work is being done. So first coating. Need to come back and fit a spur in there for the boiler. I need to get wheel back, otherwise I have to ask somebody else to do it. The work counters are going on, as you can see, and a lot of them have been stored here. So Martin, the head contractor or the head builder doing this, is finishing off another refurb for us, which is, I think he's just finished it literally an hour ago. So once the flooring's down over the weekend, then he'll come on Monday to then fit the rest of the kitchen cabinets and everything up there. This new door looks nice, and that will be proper storage as well. Radiators up, skirting board still needs to come down. This flooring feels quite solid. Okay, upstairs. So the light bulbs are in there. I keep forgetting because we need to put one up there. So there's actually lighting in the landing, which we've never had for a while, which is really annoying. Bedroom one, smallest bedroom. Boilers in, so it's pretty much done. We just need to do the final coat of paint right at the end, and then put the flooring down. Really, I think the landlord is sorting out. Our client is sorting out boxing it up. Right, so in here, second bedroom. Obviously, that's all been insulated. Again, need to do the final coating. We need to decide on what to do with these doors. I don't think these are standard size doors. In terms of condition, they're actually up to fine. This look a bit boring. So we can leave them as they are and then change the door furniture, so handles and things like something more modern. I know look a lot more presentable, or we can change the whole thing to maybe panel doors. There's stuff like this. So I think this should be able to clean off, and then we just repaint it, fingers crossed, and just change the door furniture. Otherwise, we'll have to look to replace it. The same with these doors. So these doors, nothing really wrong with them, but they are going to stick out, I think. Once we've got fresh white paint everywhere, that might stick out. These are really cheap, so it's probably worth just replacing them. It's probably more cost effective to replace them to clean them, I would expect. And then they won't stick out. So the problem with touching up paint, as an example, is that they'll stick out relative to the rest of the walls. So in this respect, this door will stick out relative to this brand new paint. Bathroom, tiling's done. Really good quality, good design. So we pretty much replicate these tiling throughout all buy-to-lets. That's been painted, that's quite nice. And yeah, that's just waiting. So this has been converted to storage. So the tank was originally here. Now we might need a light in here now if this is going to be a cupboard. To be fair, the majority of times with these cupboards, people don't actually turn the lights on anyway. So could actually put maybe an automatic light in here, or just leave it as it is. I don't think it's going to matter. It won't affect the rent whatsoever. Final bedroom, ready to see. Everything's been painted. Yeah, just tidy up, final coating, carpeting, and I think we should be ready. And then replacing that window. Okay, so I guess the only new thing might be a decision with the doors. Definitely the door in the bedroom, the cabinet doors in the bedroom, and something else as well. I don't know. Balance this up. Light. Okay, all right, see you.